Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today's video I will show you how to use Photopea step by step. Even if you are a complete beginner in 2025, this video might be helpful for you. So Photopea is a free online alternative to Photoshop. You can edit photos, create graphics, remove backgrounds, and even work with PSD files all inside your browser. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, let's talk about what is Photopea. So Photopea is a free web-based photo editor that works just like Photoshop. You can use it to edit photos, then create social media graphics or present web banner. Also, you are allowed to open PSD, AI, HD and sketch files on this Photopea. Also, it works with layers, mask and advanced tools. And the best part, no download required. Just go to photopea.com and start editing. So first of all, how you can start a project in Photopea or how you can use it. So it would really easy for you. So here you can see this is our photopea.com, and here you can see we have the components called learn, tutorials, templates, API. So you just need to create an account over here. Just click start using Photopea. Once you click over here, now you can see we already get options to start a new project. Here if you click on account, then here you can see we are using free version. If you want to purchase the premium one, it only costs $5. So it's totally up to you. Would you rather use free or premium? It's depend on you. So I'm going to use this free plan. So let's go and let's dive into in. So first of all, you just need to click on new project. Once you click over here, they will give you the options for choose the layout over that place. Here we have couple of layer options. So from here you can choose a event image, then add the image color cover, then add the group header. So whatever you want, you are allowed to choose it. Or if you want to make a custom size, then you can do it from this place. You can give the width, height, pixel, and then just click on create. Once you're done, then the project will be open here. So I'm going to click on open from computer. Just click on this, then here you can choose your PSD file. I already mentioned that here you can see we can work on PSD, AI, XD, Fig, Sketch, also PDF, raw, any file we are allowed or able to use it here. So I'm going with this new project, and Insta portrait will be perfect for me. Let's go and let's click on create. And now here you can see it's similar like Photoshop. So here I am going to add an project. So let's go and let's understand the interface. So here is a quick overview of the Photopea layout. As you can see the interface. So here in the left sidebar, you can see some elements we have like tools. It's called tools like move, brush, eraser, then text and crop options. Here you can see it. So here you will find out all the necessary elements over here. As you can see, you need to explore it to know further. So let's go, let's talk about the top bar. In here in the top you can see we have option for selected tools. As you can see it, so here you will find out folder layout, then transform controls, then we have file, edit, image, layer, select and many more. Then into the right server, as you can see, we have layer panels just like Photoshop. Then we have history. Here you can see history to undo, redo actions. Also we have color and properties. So I'm going to give you a pro tip around this. That will be, if you are used Photoshop before, you will write at home. Like it is totally similar to Photoshop, so it will not become a difficult job for you to edit and photo on that panel. So here I'm going to write something. Like I'm going to add and text and shapes over here. So you just need to click on text tool. So find out what is the text tool. Here you can see we have this text tool. So I'm going to add, as you can see, if you just focus on the right side bar, then you will get to know whatever doing on here. So I'm going to add and text over that place. So let's write something. Just select this, and here as you can see I'm going to write something. I am write my name, and I'm going to delete this one, and now here you can see eventually, and I'm going to grab it. So here I already grab it. I'm going to increase the size. So let's select this one. You have the options to duplicate layer, then duplicate intro, then you can also lock it if you need this to do it. So I'm going to select this one, and then I'm going to increase the size. In the left panel we have couple of options. When I select this, then here you have these options called that height, weight, then this text size, then CSS. You are allowed to add your CSS. Here you can see font size will be for 24. I'm going to make it 40, and here you can see, let's hide it. So here you can see, you just need to be check this out, transform control. Once you're done, then you are allowed to increase the size. Here you can see I am allowed to able to change this size, font size, then click on right, and you can check this out, the distance. By check this out, here you can see you will get the distance over this place to this place. So it's really easy and amazing to get this kind of a feature in a web version. So now I'm going to go add and shape over here. So let's go and let's click on, I'm going to add an polygon lasso select. So here I'm going to add, so here you can see it has been added over that place. So here once you're done, you can draw your shape on the canvas, then you can customize with the top toolbar also. Now you can also align to border layers in the right panel. So here as you can see, now let's change it. There's a couple of features here which will be really helpful for us when we are using it. So I am done. So I will shift to the next step, that is how to remove background. So want to erase the background of a photo, you can easily do it. Let's open a file from computer, just click on open, and let's go and let's select an image. So I am going to remove this image background. So here you can see that this is our image, and now use the magic wand tool. So here you just need to be hover it one by one to getting this magic wand tool. So sometimes it will become difficult for you, but when you will become familiar with these apps, then you can easily do your work within a second. So here you can see when I hover on of them element, they are providing us their name totally. So here you can see this is the magic wand. I know that's why I found out it's hurry, but here when you are new and beginner, then you just need to be explore it all the elements one by one to find out the desired or required element. Just select this one, and here you can see we have couple of options. From this panel you need to select out this option magic wand, or you can quick selections, object selection, whatever you want you can choose it. I'm going to select this magic wand, and then I will come back to this panel and adjust the selection height. Just select whole method, whole selection. Once it's done, just now you just need to be delete, adjust the selection and hit delete to the trademarks. So when you select, just select subject, okay, and as you can see our subject has been selected. So here they are giving us some ad, as you can see. It will happen when you are using the free version. So here I'm going to remove this refine as you can see our image has been removed, but there is just some selection problem, that's why it become like messed up. So you can do it by using this refined version, but I am going to use this one quick selections, image analyzing, and now I'm going to select this one and click on refine as. Let's wait a bit. Now you can see eventually our image definition works perfectly. So this way you can easily remove your background from the image. Now you can see if you want to remove this one, you are allowed to do it one by one. So it's really easy. So I hope you understand how you can remove background from this image and how the process really simple is it. So after completing all the necessary thing, you can import and editing PSD files also. It is really easy. It's just Photopea support Photoshop PSD file. As I already mentioned, you just need to drag and drop any PSD file into Photopea and all layers stay intact, like text, image, effects, everything. You can edit it just like in Photoshop and even export it back as a PSD also. This is super useful for working with templates or design from other tools. Now let's wrap up. Before this, I'm going to export this work. So once your design is ready, just go to file. Once you click over here, then you will get the option called export as. Now here we have couple of options, like if you want to export as PNG, JPG, WebP, PDF, whatever you want is totally up to you. I'm going to select this PNG file, and now here you can see, just click on save and our image has been saved. Let's open it, and now eventually you can see our image already saved and it's in high resolution, as you can see it. So use PNG for transparent image and JPG for photos. So I hope this video was really helpful. So let's make a quickly recap for you guys. So I did Photopea is a free Photoshop alternative. You can start a new project or edit PSD files online, and it supports layers, text, shapes, masking and exporting also. And let's give you a bonus tip, that use Ctrl plus Z to undo and use Ctrl plus Shift plus S to save as, and you can bookmark photopea.com for fast access. So I hope you love this video. If this tutorial helped you, give it a like, hit subscribe, drop a comment below if you want more free design tools tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy designing with Photopea.